Alright guys, check this out. After living in Athens in Greece for a month, finally got out to Acropolis. There are just so many archaeological sites to see here, so many islands to island hop to. It's just so hard to see all of it. Even in the month living here in Athens, it's just impossible to see everything. So anyways, so stoked, finally made it to Acropolis and Parthenon, which is actually behind me, which is pretty epic. And it's got 360 panoramic views of Athens. Check this out. And this is Parthenon, guys. There's so many different archaeological structures on the hill, right, in Acropolis. And check this out. Ooh, the breeze feels so good today. I don't know, it's probably like 36, 38 degrees. So it is sweltering. Almost sunset here in Acropolis, in Athens, Greece. Acropolis and Parthenon. It is so epic. I doubt that my footage will do it justice. It is just so cool here. Almost sunset. Got the Parthenon on that side. On this side you have, what is it? Erechtheion. Erechtheion is right to the right of me. To the left of me is the Parthenon. And then behind me, I'll scroll around here, pan around. That is the temple of Athena, Nike, behind me. Temple of Athena, Nike, and panoramic views of Athens. There's the Parthenon right there. There's Erechtheion. The stadium is down, and I don't know what this one's called here, but it's almost sunset here in Acropolis in Athens, Greece. Guys, check this out. You would think this is the Parthenon. It's not the Parthenon. It is the Erechtheion behind me. Smaller scale Erechtheion behind me, but I am at Acropolis right now, on Acropolis. And I will pan around and show you the Parthenon. There's the flag. And there's the Parthenon. See? Huge. Bigger scale. There's so many archaeological. Oh, I almost fell. Oh shoot, I almost fell. It's all roped off. You cannot touch the marble. You cannot touch anything. You got the 6 maids right there, the maidens, and then this is the Erechtheion, and that's Lycabetticus Hill. I think it's called Lycabetticus Hill. I'm probably butchering it. There's the Greek flag. There's the Parthenon. And right behind me, I don't know what's over there. I know there's the theater and stadium on the other end, and also Nike is on the other end, and this is the Erechtheion. It is just massive. You just can't even get a grasp of how massive it is here. It is huge. So much walking, and it's wicked hot. I think it's about probably 36 degrees Celsius today, maybe 38. I don't know. It's just wicked hot. But yeah. This is it, guys. This is Acropolis and Parthenon. So worth it. So it's 20 euros. 20 euros to get in here into Acropolis. The slopes, north and south slopes to get in is 20. Or you can pay 30 euros and have like a pass, a combination pass of all the sites here to see in Athens. You can see, I think it's Hadrian's Library. I forget the other ones that you can see. Maybe the Acropolis Museum, Acropolis, where we are now. There's like 6 or 7 different archaeological sites that you can see that are combined in the 30 euros. So highly recommend that. If you're gonna pay 20 to get in here to the Acropolis, you might as well pay the 30 and get the combination pass to all the sites in Athens. But yeah, guys, this is so sick and so worth it. All made out, it's all marble. You can't touch it, right? You're not supposed to touch it. And there's ropes. There's ropes all over the entire structure here. The entire hill of Acropolis. Ropes so you cannot touch. And it's almost sunset here in Athens. The maidens are my favorite, obviously. It's pretty epic. Alright guys, that concludes my video of Acropolis. Hope you enjoyed it and gained some insight for your own trip to Greece. If so, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, as it really does help out the analytics to grow the channel. And if you are planning to visit Greece, make sure to check out my Greece playlist, as it includes a ton of videos of my island hopping excursions, as well as the top things to see, do, and eat while